say, Kevin, Super Bowl, I'm the quarterback. Let's go win this thing.
He has 5 wide with the 1st and 10 in the shotgun. A 4-man front, 5 in the Niners secondary. Low shotgun snap, blocked by the left tackle. Mahomes runs up the middle. He crosses the 45 between the hash marks, and he's dragged down at the 34 San Francisco. A pickup of 3, 2nd down and 7. Clock is ticking, 26, 25. The Chiefs line up at the 33 of San Francisco. 2nd down and 7. Shotgun snap, Mahomes. Fumbling pocket, throws it wildly out of bounds to the near side. Incomplete pass. 3rd and 7 for the Chiefs. 16 seconds in regulation. Niners lead by 3. The Chiefs are at the San Francisco 33.
Gotta say, didn't like the decision by Patrick Mahomes on 1st down to take off and run. He saw an opening and wanted to try to squeeze through it. I know he's made big plays, but that is a big chance to take. Doesn't get through there, gets sacked, uses a whole bunch of time off the clock.
3rd down 7, 33 of San Francisco. McCain in the back, shotgun snap to Mahomes. Drops back, left tackle back, goes to Kelsey 30, runs close on 25-20, sideline 15, knocked out of bounds at the 12, knocked out of bounds at the San Francisco 12. Catch and run, Kelsey, 23 yards, and a player down for the Niners on the far sideline. Travis Kelsey comes up with one of the biggest plays for the Chiefs with 9 seconds left in regulation.
Set it up perfectly. You caught man-to-man. You got a bunch formation to the right, and you sneak Kelsey all the way across the field on the shallow route. The guy covering him man has to go over all the bodies in there. Perfect play call. Played out perfectly. You get out of bounds on the 10-yard line with a couple shots to get it into the end zone.
Player down, far sideline, San Francisco rookie who had a pick in early in the game, Jair Brown. They're looking at him. Play is stopped. 9 seconds to go. Chiefs trail by 3, but they've got the ball. 1st down and 10 at the 11. Kelsey has caught it 8 times for 86 yards. With that reception, the most career receptions by a tight end in Super Bowl history, breaking the record of Rob Gronkowski. Timeouts. The Chiefs have 1. The Niners lose 1, so they only have 1 left.
And there's actually a couple different options here, Kevin, that I know you say to yourself, okay, we're on the 11, we got to throw 2 into the end zone, but you really don't have to. You can throw 1 shorter if something's open. You got 1 timeout in your back pocket, and then on the next down, you got to throw it into the end zone because you can't stop it for the field goal. So a couple different options here. Don't have to force it down the field, but the ball has to come out quick.
10 seconds. They just put a second back on the clock. Chiefs have the ball at the 11. McKinnon in the back. Quarterback Patrick Mahomes in the gun. 4-man front. Looks into the nickel. Low shotgun snap. Picks it up off the ground. Puts a pass to the goal line. Broken up far side at the pylon. Incomplete. Looking for Kelsey. Covered by Fred Warner. That's terrific player against terrific player. It's incomplete. There are 6 seconds left. And out trots the kicker, Harrison Butker, with a chance to tie Super Bowl 58 with 6 seconds left in regulation. He is 5 of 5 in career postseason field goals when tied or trailing by 3. This will be a 29-yarder to tie Super Bowl 58. On the grass, no wind, we're inside. Butker, the snap is good, the kick is up, the kick is perfect, and we are tied. We are tied with 3 seconds left in Super Bowl 58. 19-19. What a drive by Mahomes and the Chiefs to get deep in San Francisco territory and tie this game.
What a great drive. These last couple of drives by Kansas City, they put it together. This is what championship medal is all about. When you need it, you make the plays. We saw it right there. Gave themselves even a chance to win this thing. But well done by the Kansas City Chiefs. Andy Reid, Patrick Mahomes, and company these last couple drives.
Dean Blandino, did you see much